Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. It's time for a stock screener roundup. Now for this video, first of all, I am only bringing you free stock screeners. That was my first test, all right? Because I looked at like 10 or 12 different stock screeners, but I'm only giving you the free ones because I want to save you money. Okay, so that's my first test. Is it free? My second test for stock screeners today is, could it do two things besides being free? I wanted to find a stock screener that could do two things. I wanted to search for stocks that are large cap, meaning market cap of $10 billion or more. All right, so large cap, 10 billion, market cap or more. And I wanted stocks where the RSI, that's the relative strength index, is below 30. So it's oversold or cheap, relatively cheap. All right. So I really wanted three things. I wanted it to be free. I wanted it to be able to find large cap stocks with a market cap above $10 billion. And I wanted them to be fairly cheap. I wanted them to have an RSI below 30 or oversold. I don't think I was asking for too much. Two search criteria and free. All right. And out of all the stock screeners out there, and I looked at over a dozen of them, and only three of them could do all those things. So here they are. Here's the first one that passed all of my tests. Market Chameleon. Market Chameleon. And I'll put the link to this website in the description below this video. And so if you go to marketchameleon.com and you click on screeners, and this one was actually the easiest to use. You just click on screeners, and right there on one screen, I was able to do it. I went down to the attributes column, and I did market cap over $10 billion. So that's considered large cap. And then under the technical column, 14-day RSI below 30, which is considered oversold. There you go. I did that already, and it gave me 71 results. And I see some well-known names here. I see Baidu, and I think I saw Ford. Yeah, there's Ford. All right. And I see some other names that maybe you haven't heard of as much. All right. But they're all large cap, and they're all oversold according to the RSI. All right. So this one was the easiest to use, I would say. That's Market Chameleon. I like it. And then another one. This is the one I use the most often, just because I've been using it for a long time. It's FinViz, F-I-N-V-I-Z. You might have heard of this one. And I clicked on, you go to finviz.com and you click on screener. This it takes a little bit longer because I had to go to two different screens. All right, first I went to the descriptive. There are some tabs here, 4 tabs and some advertisements. And I clicked on the descriptive tab, and then I went to market cap and large, over $10 billion. And then I went to the technical tab, and I went to RSI 14 and oversold 30. There you go. And here's what's weird. It gave me, besides advertisements, it gave me 30 results. Interesting. And there's Ford again, and there's Baidu again. So we have some stocks in common. But isn't it interesting how Market Chameleon, with the same search criteria, gave me 71 results, and FinViz gave me 30. So which one do you trust? I don't know. Just try them out. All right. And then the third one that I found that fits all of my criteria is, this is one you might not have heard of, Wallmine. Wallmine, WALLMINE.com. Wallmine.com. I tried it out. This one was probably the toughest for me to figure out. So I clicked on screeners, and then I went to fundamentals, and I clicked on it. And there it is, above $10 billion market cap. And then I went down to technical indicators. There it is, RSI, and oversold. So I already did that. And look at this, 153 results, 153 companies. Isn't that interesting? And then you click on the 153 or however many results there are, and here they are. There's Baidu again. Let's see if we can find Ford. There it is. 153 results from wallmine.com, 30 results from FinViz, and Market Chameleon gives me 71 results, all with the exact same search criteria. Why? I don't know. You'd have to ask them. Results vary. What can I tell you? But those are the only three that passed all of my tests. But what's the lesson here is you have to make decisions for yourself. Don't just trust any stock screener. They're all giving me different results. You have to think for yourself. You have to make your own decision. Have your own plan. Plan your trades. Trade your plan. Know what you're doing. And at the end of the day, you have to make the final decisions. Now, I can help you, though. My name is David Modell. I hope you found this video helpful, and you might want to try out these stock screeners. Links will be in the description below this video. And if you'd like some help putting together a trading or investing plan, I can help you to do that, because you got to have a plan. Otherwise, you don't know where you're going, you don't know what you're doing, and you're probably headed for disaster. So you can email me anytime at davidmodell@gmail.com. If you liked the video, found it useful, please give this a thumbs up on YouTube and leave a comment. Tell me about stock screeners that you like. What's your favorite one? Maybe you don't have a favorite one. That's okay. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell on YouTube so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational videos. All right, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you again soon.